So hi guys, hope you're doing fine, hope you're doing well, and I want to say thank you so much for those who always watch my videos, and for those who come across to this video, you're more than welcome, and may God bless you. I really do appreciate guys, and I'm really humble for you to watch my videos, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And if I motivate you, why not give a video a like and subscribe to my channel, road to 1,000 subscribers. Voila. And I want to say thank you so much for 100 subscribers, guys. And I really do appreciate. I'm really so humble for some people to come watch my videos, and I want to say thank you so much. And I'm doing this video sitting down like this. I'm at work, and yeah, let me tie my hair because guys, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this hair, guys. Sorry, I'm cutting myself. I'm tired of this hair, and but anyway, I'm gonna sort it out very soon when I got time. For now, I don't have time, guys. I'm always busy, so yeah. For today's video, this video is recommended by. I even write her name here. But if I did pronounce your name wrong, please bear with me. Your name is Helen Gladine. Gladine, or what, I even write it down. Oh, is it gonna focus? Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. There we go, a little bit. Let's focus. Doesn't wanna focus, but it is what it is. If I didn't pronounce it nicely, please bear with me. And she was asking about the heck of cleaning the carpet. I did respond to her that I did the video for the carpet. Must go down to my videos and check it. But when I go down back there, I find my videos which I did. I did a velvet carpet for a baby boy's room, and I did a fluffy carpet. So I didn't do the normal carpet, the one like this, which I'm sitting on top of it. So Helen, hope this video is gonna help you and help some other people's outside there. This is the thing which I'm doing to help some people's, or you can help me too. Doesn't mean that I'm a YouTuber, I know everything. If you got some things which you want to ask through about cleaning and stuff, the videos which you want to recommend, like Helen, you can recommend too. Your wish is my command. If you recommend a video, I'm bringing the video right here in my channel. So let me not talk too much. Let's jump to the video. You will need warm water, and then you will need a washing machine tablet. Washing machine tablet. Somewhere I dump it in there. Washing machine tablet, and then you will need a microfiber cloth, and then you will need hot bleed, and then you will need a string to tie your let me bring the camera down a little bit. Yes, just like that. You can't see my head, but I'm here in front of you guys. Let me put Helen's name there, and then start. I already put warm water. If you dump it, it's somehow dissolved by itself. And then you just massage it a little bit. The soap already. And it smells so good. It smells to die for. Then I dump my cloth there. Just like that. You squeeze it not much. Take your pot lid. Put your microfiber cloth. Dump your pot, your pot lid like that. And you are good to go, guys. You tie it just like that. I'm tying these ones like this because the pot lid and the just like that. That's the way. So behind me there is this cover. So I want to focus here, especially where in front of the couch here. There is a couch here. Hope you can see it. Yes, there is a couch there. So I want to focus this side where they are stepping. So I'm gonna move this thing this side. This side. Then I'm good to go. Video. So yeah, thank you so much. Love you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Love is for free. Let's share love. Let's spread love. It's a love month. What is your plans? And it's next week. What is your plan? If you are like me, what is your plan? And check how dirty is this water, guys. As you can see, how dirty is the water. Only that I'm doing it constantly, and I never film it doing this type of carpet. So thank you so much. Love you. Road to 1,000 subscribers.